If you want to learn how to add a photo to a video in CapCut, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to import your files, place the photo correctly on the timeline, adjust its size and position, and control how long it stays on screen. This is a simple CapCut editing trick that can make your videos look much more polished, whether you're adding a logo, a thumbnail image, a screenshot, or a personal photo. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more easy CapCut guides, and let's jump right into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look at the left side of the screen and click on Media. This is where you'll bring in the files you want to work with. Now import both the photo and the video you want to use. You can usually do this by clicking the import button or by dragging the files directly into CapCut. After your media is imported, you'll see it available in your media library. The next step is to drag the video down to the timeline. This is important because the video needs to be placed first as your main clip. Once the video is on the timeline, you can decide how you want the photo to appear. If you want the photo to show on top of the video as an overlay, drag the photo to the timeline above the video track. CapCut will layer it over your video, which is perfect for adding images, logos, stickers, or reference pictures. If instead you want the photo to appear after the video, simply place it later on the timeline after the video clip ends. That way, the photo becomes its own separate section in the edit. After placing the photo, click on it in the timeline and use the preview window to resize and reposition it if needed. You can make it larger, smaller, move it to the center, place it in a corner, or adjust it however you like so it fits your video perfectly. This is especially useful if you want the image to look clean and intentional instead of covering up important parts of the video. Now let's adjust the photo's duration. If the image is too short or too long, just drag the edges of the photo clip on the timeline to make it last longer or shorter. This gives you full control over how long the photo stays visible in your project. If you're using the photo as an overlay, you can sync it with specific moments in the video for a much better effect. Once you're happy with the placement, size, and timing, play back the video to make sure everything looks right. If needed, go back and fine-tune the position or duration until it matches your style. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a photo to a video in CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. This technique is great for beginners and can be used in all kinds of edits, from social media clips to tutorials and presentation videos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more easy CapCut tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.